Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to take a closer look at this Porsche 911 from Le Mans 2020. This model is made by Bburago at the 1/24 scale. It's a metallic model that features opening doors and functional steering. Let's start in the front. We have the headlights, which look pretty good. Also we have this massive splitter with RSR written on it. We have the Porsche badge, which is I think like a real life sticker. Also we have a lot of sponsors. I think this is for the cap for the fuel. Everything looks pretty good. We have also this grill, which is not perforated, but it has some carbon fiber texture on it. Next we have the wheel. It's very nice that Bburago wrote Michelin on the tire. It's a very interesting feature for a 1/24 scale model. Also we have a lot of sponsor and 91 number which this car used in that race. In the back we have this massive wing, which looks pretty good. Again, another sponsor here. And also we have this big diffuser at the back. We have the stop lights, which look really good. And I have to say, this model is very wide compared to other 1/24 scale models. Underneath the model, not many details. We have here some details at the back of the car for the diffuser. Let's open the door. The interior looks pretty good for a race car. We have those bucket seats. Also we have the roll cage and also the steering wheel, which has a lot of details. And also the center console has again a lot of details, which are oriented, all the buttons are oriented for the driver. And we have no passenger seat, just like the real car. Tell me in the comments what you think about the model. I think it's a very nice model from Bburago. Has a lot of details for a 1/24 scale model, and also looks pretty good in this color combination. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos.